Hi and welcome back to the Lothian Valet channel. In this video I'm just going to take you with me on a journey just with some of the jobs that we've got on for today. Unfortunately we've got some right stinkers. Enjoy! So just a quick wee nose in the inside to see what the condition's like. This one's never usually that too bad. Land Rover Freelander. Another one in for wee mini valet. Stinks of smoke. Customer clearly has a dog, which is not going to be an issue. Apart from the dog here, it's not actually that bad. For a change, it's nice to get one that's not too bad. Skoda Fabia in for a mini valet. As you can see, the wheels are pretty grubby, yellow, looks like they've been cleaned for a while. A few surprise fees on the inside. Absolutely disgusting. Unfortunately, mini valet, this is a wash, hoover, windows, plated plastics, and done. That's the Skoda Fabia, finished with the mini valet. To be honest, it was really bad. Wheels came up really well. Also, in every valet, fuel cap gets cleaned. Now for probably the best part of it. Not 100%, but it's in the mini valet, a good scrub and hoover. This came up a lot better than what it was. Ideally, it could do with a good shampoo, a deep clean and a polish.